Today is a special day for Anna. She is visiting a hair salon for the very first time.
She has an appointment at 3 p.m. and she is right on time.
She takes a deep breath and walks in. Hello, welcome to the hair salon. How are you today? Hello, I'm good, thank you. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. Do you have an appointment? Yes, I have an appointment today. May I have your name, please? My name is Anna. Anna, let me check. Yes, I see your name here. Your appointment is at 3 p.m. Yes, that's right. Perfect, you are right on time. That's good. I was worried I might be late.
Hello, my name is Lucy. I will be your hairstylist today. Nice to meet you, Lucy. Nice to meet you too, Anna. Please follow me.
Your chair is right here.
Okay.
Please sit down and relax. Thank you. This chair is very comfortable. I'm glad you like it. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time.
Welcome. How did you hear about us?
My friend told me about the salon.
Oh, that's nice. We're happy you came.
Thank you. I feel a little nervous.
That's okay. Many people feel nervous at a new salon. Yes, I don't usually try new places.
Thank you.
That makes me feel better.
Let me put this cape on you.
Okay.
Is it comfortable? Yes, it's fine.
Would you like something to drink?
Water would be nice, please.
Here you go. Now let's talk about your haircut. Okay. What would you like to do with your hair today? I want to cut my hair a little shorter.
How much would you like to cut? Maybe just a small amount, just a trim. How about we cut about 2 inches? 2 inches sounds good.
You want to keep your hair long, right?
Yes, I like my long hair.
I understand. Long hair looks beautiful.
What about your bangs? My bangs are too long now.
Do they bother your eyes?
Yes, they fall into my eyes. That can be annoying.
Would you like to trim your bangs?
Yes, please.
Just above my eyebrows, please. Okay, just above your eyebrows. Do you want to keep the same style? Yes, I'd like a simple straight style. Simple and straight, that's a good choice. Do you think shorter hair will look good on me? Yes, of course. It will look fresh and light. That sounds nice. Okay, I trust you. Don't worry, we will not cut too much.
Let's start with washing your hair. Please come with me to the shampoo area.
Please sit here and lean back. Okay. Is this position comfortable?
Yes, it's very comfortable.
I will start the water. Please tell me if it's too hot or cold. Okay. How is the water?
It's a little cold.
Let me make it warmer. How about now?
Yes, now it's perfect.
I will wet your hair first.
Okay.
Now I will add shampoo. This shampoo smells like flowers. Yes, it smells really nice. It feels very relaxing. Yes, this is my favorite part. Please relax and close your eyes. I will rinse your hair now.
Okay.
Is the temperature still good? Yes, it's still warm. Your hair is clean now. Let me wrap it in a towel. How does your hair feel?
It feels very soft.
Let's go back to your chair. Okay. I will comb your hair now. Your hair is very smooth.
Thank you.
Are you ready for the haircut? Yes, I'm ready. We said about 2 inches, right? Yes, about 2 inches. Okay, I will start from the back. I will cut a little at a time. You can look in the mirror. Yes, I'm watching. How does it look so far? It looks good. Would you like me to cut a little more? Maybe just a little more. Sure.
Yes, that looks perfect. Great. Now I will do the sides. I will make both sides even.
That's good. Let me check the left side. Now the right side. Both sides look even. That's great. Now let's cut your bangs. Please look straight ahead. All right. I will cut just a little, then take a look. Okay. Perfect. Oh, I love it. My bangs look so nice. Can you see better now? Yes, much better. Thank you so much. Now I will check everything again. It looks wonderful. Okay, the haircut is done. Now I will dry your hair. I will use a hairdryer. Tell me if it's too hot. Okay. How does it feel? It feels warm and nice.
I will use a round brush. This will make your hair smooth. Do you style your hair at home? Not very well. Try using a round brush at home. It helps a lot. Okay, I will try. Thank you for the tip.
Now I will style your bangs. Okay. Please look in the mirror.
Wow, I love it. It looks so beautiful. I'm happy you like it. Your hair looks healthy and smooth.
Would you like some hair oil? Yes, please. Just a little bit. Your hair looks shiny now. Thank you so much. Let me remove the cape. Okay, we are all done. Thank you. I feel great. I'm glad to hear that.
Let's go to the front desk.
Okay.
Your total is $35. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Here is my card. Thank you. Please wait a moment. Your payment is complete. Here is your receipt.
Thanks.
You're welcome. It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you. I will come again.
We will be happy to see you.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Anna left the salon feeling happy and beautiful. It was her best day ever.